Happy Passover, Sister Tania.
Happy Passover!
What are you going to show us today?
Well, I'm going to show you how to make peach cobbler unleavened cake.
Yay! Let's get it.
All right. Okay, so first we're going to do, let's get the recipe. So I have flour.
Is that self-rising flour?
No, of course not. This is Passover. This is all-purpose flour, and this is unleavened cake, not regular cake.
Okay, just want to make sure.
All right, so this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay. 2 cups of sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. Pack this on in here. This is actually my favorite. I make so many, guys, but I think this is my favorite. And then the strawberry is a close second. All right. So 1 cup of brown sugar. All right, and then we gotta mix all. We're gonna mix all of our spices. All right. So I love, in all of my recipes, I use 5 spices. Okay, so 8 shakes of cinnamon, about that. All right, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of ground cloves, a little bit of allspice. All right, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. All right, we're good. Okay, and so as I finish up, I'm just going to soften this butter. I use plant butter by Country Crock. Just gonna soften this a little bit.
Okay. Smells good already. That cinnamon.
Yes, yes. All right, and so I'm just gonna add some vanilla extract. And then I'm gonna add 3 eggs. I used to use 4, but 3 tastes the same. So we're just gonna do 3 eggs. All right, so 3 eggs. I clean as I go. Ain't got time. All right, so, and now what makes this one different than all of my other unleavened cakes is I add, is it 3/4 cup of milk?
Yes.
Yes, where's my measuring cup? Okay, there we go. So 3/4 cup of milk. And I also am gonna add 3 cans of sliced peaches.
Yeah.
Let me drain them. 1 year, I didn't drain it It was such a disaster. Do you remember that? We were trying to figure out why it took so long to bake. We were like, oh no, we didn't drain the peaches. So crazy.
I don't know who.
Oh, they stay recording. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
All right, and so second can and the third can. Woo! All right. So that's can number 3. Now we have to get the butter. The 1 stick of salt and butter.
Butter.
And I always save a little bit for the casserole dish that I bake it in. This is 17 years old, okay? When I find something that I like, I stick with it. I'm very devoted.
Oldie but goodie.
Yes. All right. Just dry my hands and get to stirring. We are gonna bake this on 375 for about an hour, over an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes depending on your stove, but it will take longer than an hour. Normally, it takes about 50 minutes or so for our unleavened cake. But this one, because it has the peaches and has the milk, it's gonna take longer. All right, almost done. All right,
That looks good.
it's gonna taste phenomenal. Happy Passover! All right, and I'm just gonna smooth this on. All right. Boom. Boom. Here we go. It is in the pan.